devastated. Sweet.
Wow.
The river road, the Mulegé River is totally wiped out.
Gates on the left, are they all looking nice?
Here comes Marlon and Pat.
Howdy, Vince.
There we go.